So today I thought it would be fun to make a snippet roll using some of this Dollar Tree burlap-ish ribbon. And I really like the pattern, and it's perfect to go if you're making an October daily or you're doing any fun swaps. Or if you're working on an October journal, this would be really cool. So the idea of the snippet is you have a long roll of items, and then you just snip the section that you want, and then you can put it in, I mean, you could put it on a scrapbook layer, you could put it in a planner, you could put it in your October daily journal. So it would just be a fun embellishment to go along in your journal. So, and I thought with this Dollar Tree ribbon, it would be perfect. So I pulled out some supplies. I have some buttons. I have some words. This is all stuff that I just kind of went through in my stash that I've had. Some gems, fabric, some lace, some rickrack. And then in here, I have a bunch of Halloween ephemera, just all things that I've not used yet in all of my Halloween crafty fun times. So let's just kind of dig in and go for it. Look at that, that's pretty cool. That's definitely gonna go somewhere. A little cabochon, I think that's what that's called. I even have some leaves, and these are really fun. The little brads. So let's see, I'm just gonna pull a few things out just to kind of give me a place to start. And then I also have some tags and labels from Tim Holtz. It came in last year's ephemera. Those are just the little bits and pieces that I have left over. I have a key in here. I have some buttons, tickets, alright, so let's kind of get started. Set this aside. And you could sew after the fact if you wanted. I think for today's video, I'm just gonna glue the items on. I think that'll work. And I have my Fabri-Tac, and I've had it sitting upside down, so hopefully it won't take forever. And let's just kind of go for it. I have some of this, it looks like bricks fabric in my stash. Well, maybe I should just kind of play before I start gluing it all down. And then this is knit lace. And the nice thing about a snippet roll is you can use up all of your odds and ends and your goodies and all that kind of stuff, your bits and pieces. Get a little bit going, and then I'll glue it, and then I'll keep going. I think that's what will work. trying to get different textures. Got a couple buttons. I don't know about this guy. Let me move this over so you can kind of see what else I have in here. The spider's cool. Whoa! My cat's fun. More tickets. That's fun. That pumpkin's really cool. Some creepy bats. And a spider web. All right. This is just kind of blending into the background. So I'm not sure about him right now. We'll go on to something else. And this is a brad, so I'm just gonna stick in it just a little bit. All right, I think what I need to do is start gluing and then I can kind of move on. So I kind of have an idea. So we'll come back over here and you'll see this, once you get going, it's kind of fun and it goes pretty fast. And then you have a go-to little embellishment that you can use while you're, of course my glue doesn't want to work. I think what has happened is it's dried out a little bit and it's getting all over my fingers. What I was saying is you would have a go-to embellishment for your October daily. And that would be kind of cool. And I'm sure many of you are pre-planners and you've already made all of your embellishments prior to October. I am not a pre-planner. Sometimes I would love to be, but it just doesn't always happen. I think I got glue on the wrong side. I really like that key, that looks cool. Add this orange button right over here. There we go. And let's check out our little words. Ooh, magic potion maybe? Yep. Whoops. Let's go with magic potion. So that's kind of a fun little cluster, and you could cut it right here. That'd be kind of cute. All right, and Let's move on. That leaf right there, I actually received in Happy Mail a year ago or so. Ink this up a little bit and take away the weight. Cover up my leaf so much. There we go. And this is a sticker. However, I don't trust the stick, so we'll add some glue. Maybe one more sticker. I like the glitter effect on it. It's really pretty. There we go. A little glue on the wrong side. All right. Let's add some shimmer, maybe. There we go. Okay. Moving on down. I'm liking this fabric as a contrast. It's pretty neat. Do you think I'm going to remember? I don't know if I am. I just took it all off. Oy vey. Come on, glue. I'll try my other bottle. I'm telling you, I have the worst little Fabri-Tac glue problems. If you have a tip on how to make it so your Fabri-Tac comes out faster, please leave it in the comments, because I struggle. I definitely struggle. This moon's pretty fun. The grumpy old moon. You know what? I think this is a sticker. I'm just gonna stick that under there. There we go. I don't like that I have glue on my leaf. All right, next part. Make sure my ends are folded. I'm gonna add this underneath. I love all the different textures. Pretty cool. Here we go. Maybe I want to, there we go. I'm gonna add another little button. Okay, I think it's looking pretty cool. right, let's move on to this bat. Another little word. Oh, come on, see? Do you see? There we go. Add some of this fabric because it's also in the journal. Kind of tie it in. A little spider web here. Oh, you know what? We need to add this guy. That is so cool, the skeleton. I have no idea where that came from. So cool. A little more sparkle. And the bug. There we go. That's looking really cool. So, when I could, I mean, how many feet is this? Is 3 yards. So I don't think I would use all 3 yards, but look, when I think I'll do probably this much more. And then when it's all done and dry, the cool thing about a snippet roll is you can roll it up. I don't want to go too much tighter, but you can roll it up and then here, you know what? Let's do it the other way. So we're going to pretend I've done all this. And then you can go this direction. And of course, when it's all dry, and then you have a little roll, and as you need it, you can snip it right where you want it and add it into your projects like that. It's pretty neat. All right, I hope you get out some of your scraps. Oops, I did it again. I cleaned my bowls. I hope you get out some of your scraps and your bits from Halloween. And maybe head on over to Dollar Tree and they have all different colors of this ribbon. And make yourself a Halloween snippet roll. Awesome. All right, thanks so much. Have a great crafty day. Bye-bye.